Okay, so here we have the air pollution and area given. Area of Delhi, Gurgaon and Ghaziabad, and in this file we will apply the ANOVA test. We just want to know that air pollution for these three cities are same or not. Go to analyze, compare means and one way ANOVA, right? Go to analyze, compare means and one way ANOVA. Select one way ANOVA. Now select the air pollution as your dependent list, and you have to categorize in your data. So that's why I just choose area and the factor, right? Because it has been categorized area wise. That's why I just select the area in my factor, and dependent list is my air pollution. Go to contrast. In the contrast, there is a term polynomial and all the values are not enabled. So just cancel this. Now the important value is post hoc, right? In the post hoc, select the Tukey. In the post hoc, select the Tukey, because Tukey is the most acceptable and widely acceptable in any research. One of the best analysis if we talk about the post hoc test. So just select the Tukey here, that's it, and click on the continue, right? In the options, just check the descriptive, because here you will analyze the mean also, right? So check the descriptive and homogeneity, because this is the assumption of ANOVA, as I explained you, right? For the for testing the assumption, you need to calculate the homogeneity of the variance, right? Then continue and okay. So this calculation has been done, and let's understand this calculation. So in this calculation, you can see the mean has been calculated for different cities, right? Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, Delhi, it has been calculated. So in the descriptive table, you will just check the only mean, that's it, because standard deviation, standard error, lower bound, upper bound, these all are not useful for the ANOVA testing, right? Now go to the test of homogeneity of variance, the next table. So in this test of homogeneity of variance, we test the assumption. Assumption is what? My p-value. This is my Leven's test, and my p-value is less than alpha. So here my assumption is failed. My assumption is failed, right? Now if your assumption is failed here, test of homogeneity, I told you that test of homogeneity should be there, it is required to apply the ANOVA, but my assumption is failed. So what you can do, you just you cannot apply ANOVA here. For this analysis you need to apply non-parametric test. Here we cannot apply ANOVA, but you can ignore for this time, because as this is the your workshop, so you can ignore this condition for some time, right? Just to understand what is post hoc and other test. So let's understand, sorry, let's ignore this assumption here, right? Okay, now the next table is your ANOVA. You can see that my ANOVA is 4.651. I told you that my ANOVA should not be greater than 4, but here my ANOVA is greater than 4. ANOVA is 4.651, so it is of course greater than greater than 4. Now what you can say, that my groups are not same. Groups are not same. They are different. What does it mean? The average of Delhi, average pollution of Delhi, Gurgaon and Ghaziabad are different. They are not equal. It can be possible that Delhi or Gurgaon can be equal or Ghaziabad cannot be equal. It can be possible that Delhi or Ghaziabad can be equal, Gurgaon cannot be equal, right? But what does it mean? This 4 is greater than 4. That means they all groups are not equal. That's why. So to analyze which group is equal or either they are equal or not equal or none of them are equal, we apply the post hoc test. This is your post hoc test, and in the post hoc test you can see the mean difference, right? You can see the mean difference, and in the second table, this one, this is the important table, homogeneity subset. It tells you about the post hoc test. So in the last table you can see that mean of Delhi is different, although Gurgaon and Ghaziabad mean are same, right? You can see because for Gurgaon and Ghaziabad they are in the same column, but for Delhi the mean is different. So Delhi 180.46, right? For Ghaziabad it is 225.22, and for Gurgaon it is 290.47, right? Now you can interpret that Ghaziabad is equals to Gurgaon, but it is not equals to Delhi. So this is your alternate hypothesis in this case, because you rejected null earlier. You have rejected null here, and how you can interpret your alternate hypothesis with the help of post hoc, that Ghaziabad is equals to Gurgaon, the pollution level of Ghaziabad is equals to Gurgaon, but not equals to Delhi. Ghaziabad and Gurgaon is more polluted than Delhi because the mean is higher than the Delhi. So you can say that Ghaziabad and Gurgaon is more polluted than Delhi, right? I hope that this is now clear to